Welcome back to Auto Review Today. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado pickup truck brings bold updates, cutting-edge tech, and solid performance, making it a standout choice for truck enthusiasts. This year's model continues Chevy's tradition of strength and versatility while introducing subtle refinements that make a big difference on and off the road. From the outside, the Silverado makes a commanding first impression. Its massive front grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights and a more sculpted bumper design, gives the truck an aggressive, modern look. Chevrolet has refined the aerodynamics slightly, helping improve efficiency without compromising that rugged stance buyers love. New color options and wheel designs add customization potential, and depending on the trim level, you'll see everything from chrome accents to blacked-out finishes for a sportier edge. The Silverado maintains its tough, boxy profile, but it feels more refined with improved body panel fit and a cleaner tailgate design. The multi-flex tailgate continues to offer excellent flexibility, whether you're loading up tools or tailgating on the weekend. Inside, the 2025 Silverado is all about blending utility with comfort. Chevrolet has stepped up its game, especially in the higher trims, offering a more upscale cabin experience. Premium materials like leather upholstery, soft touch panels, and real wood or aluminum trim are available, especially on trims like the High Country. The dashboard features a large 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Google built-in for seamless connectivity. A 12.3-inch digital driver display is standard on most trims, offering crisp graphics and customizable layouts. There's more storage space, smarter use of compartments, and even available massaging seats for a luxury feel. Rear seat passengers in the crew cab models will enjoy generous legroom and available heated seats, making this truck as comfortable as a family SUV. Under the hood, the 2025 Silverado offers several powertrain options to suit different needs. The base engine is a turbocharged 2.7-liter four-cylinder that delivers strong torque for everyday driving and light towing. A 5.3-liter V8 remains a popular choice, offering solid performance for towing and off-roading. For those needing serious muscle, the 6.2-liter V8 puts out over 420 horsepower and offers a max towing capacity of around 13,300 pounds when properly equipped. There's also a Duramax 3.0-liter inline-six turbo diesel, ideal for long hauls and fuel efficiency. All engines are paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission. The ride quality is impressive for a full-size truck, with adaptive suspension available on higher trims, giving you better control whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rough terrain. Pricing for the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado starts around $38,000 for the base work truck trim and climbs to over $70,000 for the fully loaded High Country. Mid-range trims like the LT and RST offer great value with a mix of tech, comfort, and capability. With various configurations and packages available, the Silverado can be tailored to suit daily drivers, job site warriors, or weekend adventurers. Overall, the 2025 Silverado stays true to its roots while pushing forward with new tech, comfort, and power. Whether you need it for work or play, this truck delivers on all fronts. This is Auto Review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more car insights.